have another package from SHEIN, and I know it's soon, but I placed another order until this came, and yeah, I don't know. I just like their products, and they ship very fast, so let's see. So as you can see, a lot of stuff, and mainly stationery. I have planned the rest of the year themes for my bullet journal, so I wanted to make sure I have all the washi tapes I need for the required themes, and yeah. I think they're super cute. I like the combination of the colors. Another washi tape pack. Oh, look how thin this is. I love these colors. Okay. So this is a mold I got for clay stuff, I don't know, and for soap. I make my own soap, and I have my own YouTube and channel for that. And yeah, I could make different flowers with this. It's cool. And another washi tape set. If you've seen my previous SHEIN unboxing, I have there some stickers with Foggy Forest, and I think these washi tapes are gonna match perfectly with the foggy theme. I know, super cool. I ordered more holographic Ziploc bags for my business because I love them so much. Another mold. I definitely want to make some soap with this. It's so cool. And another mold. This is with maple leaves. Another set, a bit squished, but that's alright. Just get it out, that would be perfect. Okay, so this set comes with a bunch of stickers and foam. I don't know, but a bunch of stickers, and I really love them. They're so cool. Originally I wanted this for my ocean theme, but they have so many florals as well, and not only. And look how cute she is. She's so cute. And a bunch of washi tapes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Chinese one. You see? I think I'm gonna cut it. Yeah. They're really cute though. Okay. And I've seen this and I really liked it. It's squished, but I will try to arrange it. And it's a floral ring to hang, and I think it's gonna look super nice in my office area. I have a bunch of pink florals and I just couldn't resist. I had to buy this. It's really cute. I think it's really cute. Okay. Next, I have one already, but I needed more. So for my pins and for my paper clips and all the little things that I have in my shop, I ordered this. I think it's super cute and nice, and I'm gonna put it next to the other one, so it's gonna give like the aesthetic of it. For my sticker, I've seen a lot of people use this type of storage boxes for their stickers. I want to make another video about how I store my stickers, because I do it in a very minimalistic way. It doesn't take much space, and with the stickers I have so many stickers. I don't know where I would put them if I wouldn't have had this idea to organize them. But I will make a video about it probably. Why not? I've expected this for so long time. Look how cute this guy is. So it's a knife and it's not too long. And I have a really big one, and it's kind of rusty by now. I've used it a lot, and I really wanted something smaller and cuter, so I really love this guy. It's so cute. Okay. So for my August theme, spoiler alert, it's gonna be with desserts. And why is because I love desserts and August is my month. I was born on the 2nd of August. I'm a Leo, and I already have my own dessert sticker sheet, but I just wanted to have more. I want more diversity, I guess, because I have only one sticker sheet with desserts, so it would be very repetitive along the month, and I really don't have time to just sit and draw in the journal, even though I think it's gonna be relaxing. I find this as well relaxing, sticking the stickers and creating formats and spreads, and yeah. And they are glossy. I think they are really cute. And I think the pack is with 50, I guess. It's not written on it, is it? No, it's not. But yeah, I think there are 50 in the pack. More stickers. So I can never have enough stickers. I don't know if that's just me, but since I love flowers, I also want to make flower themes, and I probably am gonna do it by colors or something like that, or by flower type. Also glossy, and there are so many. There are so many, and they are so beautiful. I love this. I think this is lilac. Lilac is my mom's favorite flower, and insanely in love with the smell of them. I even made the soap with them. And yeah, cherry blossoms, hyacinth, lilac. Yeah, these are kind of my favorite. Really pretty. Really pretty. Next, more stickers. This is more of a stationery haul than anything else, because most of the things are washi tapes and stickers. So these are really cool to use for a coffee theme, or some of them really give this cozy vibe, you know, and I'm gonna have a cozy vibe themed journal at some point. And I am a coffee lover, and even though I have a lot of stickers with coffee, as I said previously, it's never enough. Okay, this reminds me of a sound on TikTok. It's never enough. Yes, really cool. Also glossy. Also like a 50 pack, I think. I'm not sure. I ordered this like 3 weeks ago. They didn't arrive too fast, but yeah. Another sticker pack, but these are from the listing with the ones I bought in the other video, with the foggy one. And this is more of a cozy aesthetic, and not only. And the material, I don't know. The sticker itself is like washi tape, so it's paper. Even though they have this glossy backing, they are not glossy. Also not very colorful as I can see. But yeah, a bunch of them, and they are mixed. And what I've noticed in the other set is that they repeat each other. I have doubles, for instance, so only half a pack is like a design, and each a design, and then they repeat themselves one more time. I don't mind, and I think they're pretty cute. I do think the colors here are better than how the sticker actually looks like, but it's great. I can't complain. It's great. And one more from the same type, from the same listing. They have more types, so I took Ocean, and these are super colorful, and I love the chromatics on them. Now that my hair is bluish turquoise, these are vibing with me a lot. I think they are really cool. Okay, and the next, this is just a thing I bought for my makeup, and in the order I just placed again. I ordered another one but on green, and I want to use it for the bathroom. And yeah, I already have a makeup support thingy, I don't know how to call it, but it's much smaller, and I don't know, it just looks too cramped. I wanted something that looks or gives a cleaner look. I think it's great. You can open this. Okay. Yeah. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and If you want to comment and ask me anything, just do so, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.